I'm attorney Martin Nicholson from the law office of Martin Nicholson, and I'm going to talk about the most common encounters you will experience with law enforcement. The way that you come in contact with law enforcement, the number one way is by driving. They pull people over for OVWI in Indiana, operating vehicle while intoxicated. Otherwise, people might know it as a DUI, driving under the influence. They can set up roadblocks. Legally, they can set up roadblocks to check people for while they're driving. That is the number one way you're going to come into contact with the police. If you're in a lower income area, then you may come in contact by just being on the street, just walking on the street or hanging out with your friends. If they see a crowd of people that they think look suspicious, which often means if you're African American or you're someone of color, brown, black, they'll try to bust it up. They'll come over and try to break the crowd up, look at them, and search them. And under the law, Terry versus Ohio, a United States Supreme Court case from 1968, they can do that. Basically, they can do what's called a Terry stop, where they pat you down, frisk you, see if you have any weapon on you. And it is considered a seizure under the Fourth Amendment. And they can do this briefly to determine if you have anything that you're not supposed to have on you. Boom. Now they've made their arrest if you do. If you don't, then they just basically interrupt your day, has you all upset and things like that, and then they go about their merry way looking for someone else, right? And then you and your friends, it just disrupted whatever you guys had going on that was perfectly legal. So remember, the two most common ways that you will come in contact with the police are driving or just like walking down the street, minding your business, or hanging out with your friends on the corner, minding your business, not doing anything illegal. So if you think that you've been illegally profiled or stopped and searched by the police, contact the law office of Martin Nicholson. We will fight for you. That's your Nicholson Nugget of the day. Make sure to like and subscribe.